Gikundi giki kia maumau kuma kaunti-ini ya MERU kuhitukira wakiri wao Tom Macharia githitangite thirikari kugerera munene wa watho na kamiti ya kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu magitetia wagarari wa ihoto cia hindi ya gwetha wiyathi. Mwaka-ini wa 2015 ndumiriri ya president wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta ni acungire njamba cia maumau muhera ithenya-ini ria thirikari ya miaka ya 60 na agiathana guthondekwo kamiti ya mwanya marihi bilioni 10.
So today we are pretty much happy for the court has given them a day in their court, and this matter, the issue of liability has well been settled. The TJRC report does acknowledge indeed grievous human rights violations were perpetrated by the government of Kenya against the petitioners and the class of persons they represent.
Tulikuwa tunapigania vitu viwili tu, uhuru na mashamba. Tukapata uhuru, lakini wale walitafuta mashamba hatukupata.
Matigari maya maugite gutiri undu uri wahanika kuma kiraniro kiu kiheanwo na riu marenda iguru wa kiraniro kiu riboti yao makihoto na wohaniri TJRC erutithio wira mariho hathara ona family ciao.
The government of Kenya by the past regime did indeed set aside 10 billion Kenyan shillings for reparations of all victims of human rights violations. And even though that fund was set aside, known as the Justice Restorative Fund, this fund is yet to reach thousands of persons who have been victims of these human rights violations. As a country, this is truly a great day to give us an opportunity to honor our heroes.
Watu wetu mukae ukivumilia, Mungu anakuja na anakuja kuwasaidia kwa sababu mumezaa watoto ambao wanavumilia na kuuliza maswali na watatulizia kila kitu na tutaendelea mbele.
Ciirithania Hesto Nyaga uri urathikagiriria cira uyu augite cira uyu uri na maundu maritu marabatara kumurikwo gigatiba uguo riu akineana mwaro kuri mucirithania munene uria ubatie athaganie ndundu ya mwanya.
Shukuru kwa watoto wetu tu, wawe nguvu ni Mungu, waende tumalize kazi hii, tuone haki yetu. Tulipigia haki yetu na damu yetu ikamwagika, shamba ikaenda yetu, tulikuwa na yao mashambani yetu. Wazee wetu wote wakapigwa risasi. Naomba mimi serikali yetu hiyo yote itukumbuke sisi saa hii. Tunaomba tafadhalini.
Oho ni athanite gikundi giki gicabithie mendekithia maya ngathiti-ini ya kibururi niguo ikundi ingiona kana andu mangienda kunyitanira cira-ini uyu makorwo na kanya thiini wa thikũ 21.
It's been a great shame that 60 years later justice has been elusive, but for today Justice Nyaga has granted truly groundbreaking orders, allowing these petitioners to publicize the orders granted today in a newspaper of national circulation, because these matters affect thousands of persons, some of whom are not before this court. Perhaps to give a historical glimpse of this country. And indeed, this has been time to be able to reflect on a bitter part of our history.
Cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 9 mweri wa 2 mwaka turorete wa 2026 handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.